Modern urban living. Apartment kitchens are often designed within limited square footage, yet they remain one of the most essential spaces in the home. A minimalist approach offers an elegant and practical solution, allowing small kitchens to feel open, organized, and visually calm without sacrificing functionality. By focusing on simplicity, thoughtful layouts, and efficient use of space, minimalist kitchen design transforms constraints into strengths, creating an environment that is both beautiful and highly usable. Understanding minimalism in small apartment kitchens. Minimalism in kitchen design is not about emptiness or lack of character. Instead, it emphasizes clarity, balance, and purpose. Every element serves a function, and unnecessary details are eliminated. In small apartment kitchens, this philosophy becomes especially valuable, as it helps reduce visual clutter and makes the space feel larger than it actually is. Clean lines, restrained color palettes, and intentional storage choices form the foundation of a minimalist kitchen. Choosing the right layout for limited space. The layout is the backbone of any successful small kitchen design. In compact apartments, popular minimalist layouts include the single-wall kitchen, galley kitchen, and L-shaped kitchen. A single-wall kitchen keeps all appliances and cabinetry aligned along one wall, maximizing floor space. Galley kitchens with parallel counters provide efficiency and clear workflow, while L-shaped layouts offer flexibility and natural separation between cooking and preparation areas. Minimalist design benefits from layouts that encourage smooth movement and reduce unnecessary steps. The key is to maintain openness while ensuring that essential kitchen functions remain easily accessible. Color palettes that enhance space and light. Color plays a crucial role in how a small kitchen is perceived. Minimalist kitchens often rely on neutral tones such as white, soft gray, beige, or warm cream. These colors reflect light, making the space appear brighter and more spacious. Matte finishes are frequently preferred, as they provide a calm, refined look without visual distraction. To avoid a flat or sterile appearance, subtle contrasts can be introduced through natural wood accents, light stone surfaces, or muted metallic details. The goal is harmony rather than bold contrast, allowing the kitchen to feel cohesive and serene. Smart storage solutions with clean aesthetics. Storage is one of the biggest challenges in small apartment kitchens. Minimalist design addresses this by integrating storage seamlessly into the overall structure. Floor-to-ceiling cabinets make use of vertical space, while handleless cabinetry maintains clean lines and a streamlined appearance. Pull-out drawers, corner organizers, and built-in shelving help keep items hidden yet easily accessible. Open shelving, when used sparingly, can add visual interest and provide space for frequently used items, but it should be carefully curated to avoid clutter. In minimalist kitchens, storage is not just practical, it is an essential part of the design language. Selecting appliances that blend in. In a minimalist apartment kitchen, appliances should complement the space rather than dominate it. Compact, built-in appliances are ideal for small kitchens, as they integrate smoothly with cabinetry and maintain visual continuity. Panel-ready refrigerators, slim dishwashers, and combination oven-microwave units help save space without compromising functionality. The minimalist approach favors appliances with simple forms, neutral finishes, and intuitive controls. By reducing visual noise, the kitchen feels more cohesive and easier to navigate. Materials that balance beauty and durability. Minimalist kitchens rely on materials that are both aesthetically pleasing and practical for daily use. Common choices include quartz or solid surface countertops, which offer durability and a clean appearance. Backsplashes are often simple, such as plain tiles, continuous slabs, or even the same material as the countertop for a seamless look. Cabinet finishes may range from matte lacquer to natural wood veneers, depending on the desired warmth and style. The focus remains on quality over quantity, ensuring that each material contributes to the overall sense of calm and refinement. Lighting as a design element. Lighting is essential in small kitchens, particularly those with limited natural light. Minimalist design favors layered lighting that combines ambient, task, and accent lighting. Recessed ceiling lights provide general illumination, while under-cabinet lighting ensures adequate visibility for food preparation. Warm, Soft lighting enhances the inviting feel of the kitchen, while well-placed fixtures prevent shadows and dark corners. Simple, unobtrusive light fixtures align with minimalist principles and help maintain visual balance, keeping surfaces clear and functional. One of the defining characteristics of minimalist kitchens is the emphasis on clear countertops. By limiting the number of items left on display, the kitchen feels more spacious and organized. Everyday tools are stored out of sight, while only essential or decorative items are kept visible. This approach not only improves aesthetics, but also enhances functionality. Clear surfaces make cooking and cleaning easier, reinforcing the idea that minimalism is as much about practicality as it is about visual appeal. Adding personality without overcrowding. Minimalist does not mean impersonal. Small apartment kitchens can still reflect the homeowner's personality through subtle details. A single piece of artwork, a textured backsplash, or a carefully chosen plant can add warmth and character without overwhelming the space. The key is restraint. Each decorative element should have a purpose and complement the overall design. By choosing a few meaningful accents, the kitchen remains inviting while staying true to minimalist values, creating a kitchen that feels bigger than it is. Ultimately, the success of a minimalist apartment kitchen lies in its ability to make a small space feel open, efficient, and comfortable. Through thoughtful layout planning, restrained color choices, integrated storage, and purposeful design decisions, even the smallest kitchen can become a pleasant and inspiring place to cook and gather. Minimalist design offers more than just visual simplicity. It provides a lifestyle centered on clarity, efficiency, and intentional living. In the context of small apartment kitchens, it proves that less truly can be more when every detail is carefully considered.